Hi guys, so let me say this. This is my maoni kulingana na mimi. For the longest time, we have always wondered who is that person who can be called the leader of Gen Zs. For the longest time, we have seen so many people trying to claim that they are the people with the Gen Zs. Well, we all know who the Gen Zs are not with. We all know the Gen Zs are not with William. Lakini hata kwa opposition, umekuta watu wengi sana wamejaribu kuclaim wako na Gen Z. And for a moment, hata mimi kama Githaiga, I had lost hope that, you know, the movement can no longer wake up. People are now tired because now the options that we had, it's either Rigathi or Kalonzo or Wamalwa. Yani every person was following their own leader of opposition in their own perspective. And I want to appreciate those men because they have also come up and stood where nobody was. But I think finally, mimi nikiangalia ile kitu naona nikiangalia pale mbele. If I look at this duo called Sifuna and Babu, and maybe a group and a host of young leaders who will join them, I think finally the Gen Zs will speak as a voice. For the first time I've seen Gen Zs from Western, Eastern, Nyanza, kila mahali, hata huku Central, watu wakiungana, wakisupport young leaders who have come out to say no to impunity. Ata Rigathi Gachagua support Sifuna, and he's really, if you've listened to him the last 2 days, he's really come out strongly to support Sifuna and Babu. I think time is now ripe, and I think now I can be able to predict who will finally bring the Gen Zs together. We saw in Kitengela, it was not a Luo meeting, it was not a Kikuyu meeting, it was a young people's meeting. Kakamega this Sunday, Babu and Sifuna and team are coming. In fact, nifenye staki kusema nitakuwa, lakini hata mimi nitakuwa na kuja Kakamega, kunaitwa catch. Let us go there, let us speak in one voice. Tutoke hapo, watu waende Mombasa. And I want to tell these young leaders, thank you for coming out strong. And do not fail young people. They have killed one already. That is what they keep on doing to intimidate us. Rasima warushe tear gas, lazime waue one of us, but one or two. But let me tell you, William, you cannot kill all of us. It is a moment that has come. That one term is a reality. And for me and my household, Nairobi County, Babu kwa sababu. Thank you. Then hapo kwingine tutajua tukiendanga. But thank you so much young people. Thank you for coming out. Saizi kunaenda kufunguliwa mass voter registration. It is time watu sasa wachukue kura. Watu wa kura wanakuja kwa mashule, kwa soko, kila mahali. They are calling it mass voter registration. From March 20 something, please let us take that 1 month gap and ensure we register as voters. Thank you. Aluta continua. One term siku zombo.
2024 protests, when young people were arrested and most of them could not raise cash bail, I engaged a very popular TikToker who goes by the name Githaiga Washai, and I leave it there because those who know him. And we managed to raise a tune of Kenyan shillings 1 million, which paid cash bail for young people who come from underprivileged backgrounds.
Maruma.
That is it.
Ndire
mundu ni enumite. No to mo igire wa kurumana ri. Nyira gaba wo kurumane gara tugithii na mbere ri. Kana ne numanire. Kali rumanire muga no daruma no darumana. Ru horo wa kwaja kwaria hele ciothe ukajita murevi ri tutinyuaga na nyuko ari. Ndugatumeyo hero.
To get impeachment for me it was not necessary. Na diali timely. Na ni todo dhidi ya kwira mundu ni provoka kwa maundu maingi. Utangaba witikie we mwenye ugenie ona waje kuona. Na ni ukona Uhuru ni akirireiria. Aito mucogothire muthuri ucio. Diga ito kona President Uhuru wa Kenyatta. Tomo haraka maithoi.
Ando matera mirenja gwake.
Twatera maja gwake.
Akirete.
Tomo cogothai. Akirai. And I think for me, tono ukiva kenage tomo daki gugwe todo ona tomo cogotha ndeka atia. I think orosi wa restraint kwa kuhiukiro. We mutongoria. I think for me nigega mukimwe kinene muno. Na nikimwe gwiciria president oyo ekiri atia. afirite
hau ni afirite
tondu atongorie marakara ma hindi ya jenzi na nguciria mundu gwito mugatheri gathe wa Gachagua athie Mombasa hindi ya hindi ya jenzi
hindi ya maririe ri
he maundu mundu agio gwika atia ni gucoka na thutha taiu muthenya ucio wa twarikia mweri 25 ri 25 niguo andu maimirire bara niguo maingirire bunge 26 president yakejita ngihoro thimu ni muruko mendekero nyanya cio tukakijira president aiga ukorwo state house taigiri ni ndecirege ni mucemani wa cabinet wagitu ndathie kuranga turia na atano ti andu aingi muno to ni thiete state house tukuhinde o gwathukari ngiro kuraire ki kuraire andu makioranagia kaundu kamwe kana saine biro
kana diga saine
ya kiria
ya finance
bill ugu tukana igwa andu othe mamureke atia asaine no e mundu mureganaga na andu Kenya biri mutikerie tawo Moses Kuria nuni ndiamenya macirite ndathie ri ngimwira ona ndugeciria maita meri ndugicaina tigana nayo utatiga ndekaga atia ndakora tigana nayo tondu riu uria kuhana ri ni vetero kuya uitiririe ki mwaki-ini mundu ne bagwa ikinya mugeka atia ugacoka na thutha kwa munyakari riu andu othe maigite asainwo ri maiyire hau uguo andu are akidiki au abari kwa munyakari aga makigwa nda mahuti handu makeja gu support yothe niki makei muna ndugicaina mundu ria warakarire ni horo ucio ri ni mundu aigire to abuge ntumeria babe meke atia mahitukie tureke gucaina
riu niyo moikia
Watoikia mwaki na murataka kweta gonde nyoro no wokire tutware aure hamwe na ithu no wokire na argument yo na ngikari andethio ona mbere ya munene okete kira ndendeke gwire gatagati ka bururi na thirikari ri niki gitwo yo ni gukipu
bururi
thirikari ni ukara negega ati negathi
bururi ni wa bata makiri
na ngimwira ndende abuge acio uraigwira thana ndina manani no tigwe uruko turu turaigire tuhitukie turacoka tubega nige tutikae kuhitukia ri bururi wa heari magutuga mubunge waku ko ne hendaga njoke point ni rio kunjuritie ne hendaga mundu akabaga kijana ki na thutha na unenyonaga president ni athikiririe muno andu abuge ra mamuthiurukiirie muno aguko gwitu Mount Kenya hari uhoro ucio na hedi mamundu agio ni kwatire ona wajira ati ade mwijo uhoro muvira na waku
Mheshimiwa Moses Kuria aka Mutha auma interview hari Inooro TV rucina kama gwaka ngethe reke ngwe reke tuheo ndeto njega no ni gukorwo na marinated chicken iyo yuma marinated interview tuheo ndeto twonithi uria Gachagua mahitire kwi muigata hau wi twero nginya uria misaga Gachagua Mutha ndingikwihoka Mutha wetha kindu gia komisiri omisi ngima ya githei na iria ria githana twe musimu wa siasa no ngia tuone fituko inona Mheshimiwa mko Professor Kithure Kindiki akiurithiria mbura kwa Naivasha auragirwo ni mbura gwakereria andu Naivasha
na githi ndu nure kuragirwo iyo no ngai ai kweli na githi ndu nure fio
we wame atwe musimu uriku faishiti maajabu oyue mamu wanyu akuhurira thimu kodiatia waraku mwere mami dema kati na uru gai tukenete guku niki mami gya gukenia gai mwere kadi yako mami jera wajiga ndwi na baigire maguku Professor wekatia Bau akenete tutikiro boss guku na mugatolewa bofuro wa direga mushi wa shiringi 250 we tuko msimu wa siasa
tauna ona idiria rigathi wa Gachagua ri wabici-ini ri he maundu mangironaga nginya munene arageria gwika no akona tundu rigathi hu ageka atia akahura ribandi he andu ateithagiriria we wa mwego ciro ta wa muru he andu rigathi wa Gachagua ateithagiriria ukoro wabici ni umwe ni personally ni tuli differences citu no ni misaga rigathi wabici tulu he andu buriki athiaga agitira na he andu twathiaga twathi cabinet uguo ri tukagera wabici wake tiga cabinet committee tugetana ni Harris ta horo akahwa ni atukunyaga twathi haria tugacora muguthie ino nito euro twacoraga we twacoraga uguo riu break ni athirire na tutikirika riu hindo twakirika twina gasi riu ni na reme gwa duka una undu mangicenjia ikana undu mangicenjia honestly speaking
aya
dikana undu gugituka ni kuratuitwo ati waga kuhingio ni undu wa mundu gwitwo mutagi wa kagwe sorry muthuri mata wako muru wa nyawira dikana he undu ngicenjia tondu mutagi hau
deputy president
our bargaining power hinya witu nicoka gitu thini wa thirikari ni giathire thi muno kumari gale wa Gachagua ehera
Muthe ni muthenya wa muhumutha
mutha ni twenyereketie
aya akatoka tuthomera moro tucokere okere na maundu
nira kangore wa bururi ru mundu ria rauna akio tukenetie biu ri ni mutha witu mama guo mutha witu ni atukenetie
yakirwo muhundu ni mugatoriko
ndio timenyete
tutire nake
mutha witu reke ngwire handu araragia
kai haya
arauga thutha uyu gutire kindu aramisi tarigeji ciugo cia kanua gake
cire hinya
ni araririe ndeto nyingi biu
ndirago ne cire hinya
araririe ndeto nyingi biu icio itigakumakie he handu arori urauga ni reke ndimwire aikorwo he kindu misete mimi walai kama mudha mimi nimemisi Giju
mbona amemiss
unajua huo mzai akiwa kwa gava alikuwa na kanyaga ka preso break
tomra lake era shoko jero gothie ndahora break
acha uria benda kenda kinyaga break ario wina ma kusema ukweli mimi kama mudha
na nilikuwa kwa gava
so unajua mimi nilikuwa ndani mimi na kushow ukweli mimi kama mudha
nilikuwa minister
mimi hadi CS nikafanywa unaona hizo nyakati tulikuwa tunaitagwa na mkubwa mimi Arethi na wengineo Rigejia anatuchoma kinambu anatuambia mkifika huko mkataa wacha nikwambie interview yenyewe mimi nimemiss Rigeji noma
alikuwa anafanya nini Regi?
Regi alikuwa anatuita anatuchoma anatuambia mkinge kwa hiyo ofisi msikubali.
Yeye ndio alikuwa anaweza kukanyanga.
Yeye ndio alikuwa anakanyaga prezo. Mabreki, makibre. Mimi nakwambia kama mudha, ujue mimi ni mudha na nilikuwa kwa gava, unacheki? Lakini wenye wako sahi ni Wasaragongo. Hawawezi kanyagia mkubwa breki. Wakiambiwa left, lakini Rigeji ni kuambia huu ni mwanaume. Mimi nakushoka mudha. Kumbuka nilikuwa Gatondo.
Imateli wa moge ate wa monyoro ito ne mora huhu. Kwa ne wara huhu. Ate mora huhu asio ne inoke akoliganira in the next 14 days.
Yes.
Agiri kinyato breki. Wow. Kwa dadi wao ni wathi feed.
Bani atengera muno.
Ni Paul Walker. Fast and Furious.
Ni I show speed.